Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to make a shirt in Roblox. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to roblox.com. Once there, click on Create, then select Creations. After that, click on Avatar Items, then click on Classics, and after that, filter by Classic Shirts. You might wonder the difference between a t-shirt and a shirt. A t-shirt is a simple image upload, while a shirt lets you fully design and customize it, including making hoodies with textures. Next, click on Upload Asset to upload your shirt image. Give it a name and a description. For shirts, you can visit different websites that offer various shirt templates, some even allowing you to edit them online. After completing your design, click on the Create button. Keep in mind you will need Robux to upload your shirt, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.